So this is US dollar CAD analysis for Thursday, 30th of August. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had a price come down towards this 129. So a bullish reaction didn't quite take us up towards that 129.44. Brief pullback. Didn't quite get a test of that 129 again. Tested the 129.44, trade through it all the way towards a 129.60, rejected, pull back towards our previous lows in around, I think that's what's 129.10 or so. I'm just going to have a look here. Actually 129.03, actually 129.03, and just bear with me a second here. Charts aren't complying. Technology. Nope. So let's get back to this. So we came down pretty close towards a test of the 129. So in around a 129.03, we've previously found support. We do appear to be finding support again. So if we do see that bullish buy side reaction continue here in this market, we're looking for another test of the 129.44. If we do encounter resistance at that 129.44, looking for a retest of that 129. If we do see a retest and a break of that 129 here to the downside, the very next levels of note that we are looking at is a move down towards a 28.39, successful break from which we will then look for price down towards a 27.78. And if there is sufficient volatility in the market, may just even see prices test the 27.56 here on the US dollar CAD. Now, those are levels that we are looking at here to the downside if we do see a break of that 129. If, however, we do continue to hold this 129, we're then looking for a test of 129.44, successful break from which we're then targeting that 130 here on the US dollar CAD. We don't anticipate price to move much beyond the 130. The very next level of note beyond the 130 is, of course, at 130.69. Do you think it's too far out of the range here of the US dollar CAD to the upside, even if we do have quite a bit of volatility? May see that 200 period moving average tested in around that 30.10. Depending on how long we do take to get up there, may be sitting around at 130. And it could act as a confluence, further increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum coming into the market from that 130 level if we do have the 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of resistance here on the US dollar CAD. But for now, we've gone into this consolidation, so we'll see if we can break and hold above the 129.44, or if we do see the breakout to the downside and test of the levels to the downside previously mentioned. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, see how prices are developing. So on the daily chart of the US dollar CAD, we have our highs in around a 133.83, have lower highs around a 133, lower highs still below the 131.88. We've had this continuation breaking below our previous lows of that 130. We've had price come down towards 129.44, tested this 129, we've had a brief pullback from this 129. And we'll see if we can continue to hold this 129 for a counter move back to the upside, or if this current move here to the downside will continue. And if that is the case, significant levels that we are looking at is at 128.39 and a 127.56 here. In around a 127.56, our previous low before we did see previous consolidative low, before we did see this move here to the upside up towards a 133.83. So if there is this continuation, may even see a move down towards a 27.56 if we can successfully navigate the 28.39. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.